starts with a hey, and then we get down and we start to dance in my booty. Get down.
Hey there, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to talk about the Insta One X camera. The camera comes with the providing app for your Android or iPhone, Windows desktop devices. There you can edit and share with your social networks. But for now, let's make a quick unboxing and talk about the features a bit later. Now we open and see the battery, and for your bullet shot, some wires, the camera itself. There are a lot of cables. Like these cables for your Windows. Another box. Micro USB to Type-C, micro USB to micro USB, and the micro USB to iPhone devices. There are also portable bag for your camera and some cards like stickers, warranty card, and the instruction manual with a lot of languages as well. The One X design doesn't call attention to itself if not for the bulging camera lenses on both sides of the device. Below the lens there is an LCD screen where you can see the features and navigate the menus and select the options, and the display is clear and shows what mode you are shooting in. There are two buttons, one large and one small. You have access to the full capabilities of the camera from this menu system, and you can change anything from video resolution to gyro calibration even without connecting to your phone. The body of the camera is neither the most premium looking or feeling. It seems to be mostly made of type of rubber plastic which is easy to grip. Down the camera, house for your SD card and standard adapter for your selfie stick or tripod. And the shape of the camera built allowing it to sit on a flat surface without downfall. On the right side of the device you can find the house for your battery where you can easily insert or take out the battery for charging. Left side connector, micro USB, and finally on top the built-in microphone. 18 megapixel sensors, one on each side with f2 aperture, 200-degree wide-angle lens. Insta 360 One X can capture 360-degree 5.7K video capped at 30 frames per second. There are also 4K supports at 50 and 30 frames per second, as well as 3K shooting at fast 100 frames per second. HDR modes for the both photos and videos. A couple of weeks ago I tested the Pro D7 smartphone with a 360-degree camera, and I was being disappointed with the way it's stitching images that were taken. I saw very visible lines at the seams. Luckily, even with the different light condition, the Insta One X shooting 360-degree video with perfect stitching the back and front camera. Using Insta 360's invisible selfie stick, you can create videos and shoot photos that look like they were taken by quadcopter or drone. You can shoot a variety of time-lapse interval videos at 5.7K, which look really amazing. Time shift lets you adjust the speed of any part of clip any which way you like. You can speed walking scenes like a time-lapse, then prolong dramatic parts with a slow motion. Shoot with Insta 360 One X camera itself and control the shooting process settings. Edit the videos, share with social networks with the mobile app for iOS and Android devices. With Insta One X you can live stream in 360 degrees with real-time stabilization videos in your social networks, where the live streamer can change the view in real time during the live stream. This is something amazing feature for people who like to live streaming. And the live stream resolution is up to 2560 by 1280 with the auto manual settings. Shoot with the raw video formats. Yes, you have the option of shooting the videos or photos with log mode, and then you can improve the overall look of your files. Transfer photos and videos quickly to your phone with 5G Wi-Fi. You can transfer them even faster with the included USB cables. but with the Wi-Fi feature, the battery life dying faster. The battery lasts for 1 hour of continuous shooting without the Wi-Fi setting, and in reality, on and off, I spent like 5 hours. When the Wi-Fi is on, of course, the battery draining quicker. There are other things that I want to mention it that I will love to use. For example, in some birthday party or any different party, just put the camera somewhere in the middle and record the videos. For example, some birthday party, and after some time wear their VR glass and look around and see each and everyone. That's going to be very decent memory. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please comment below, and peace.